Hi there, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to reset your password for MyKW.KW.com using the new login system that was implemented in early September 2018. One big note, resetting this password will also reset the password for most of your other KW systems except for your KW email. Resetting this password will also reset it for KW Connect, KW Command, Kelly, your KW app, and KW video. Again, resetting this password will not affect the password for your @kw.com email address. The password reset process is very simple. On the MyKW.KW.com login page, if the password you're trying doesn't work, just click on Forgot Password just below the login button. On this page, you'll be prompted to enter your username and click Submit. Once you click Submit, the password reset link will be sent from access@kw.com to your email address on file. This is the email address stored in your KW White Pages profile. The address this reset link is sent to cannot be changed through this reset process. It can only be changed once you're logged into MyKW. It can only be changed after you know the password and can get logged in. Once you click Submit, you'll go log into that email address. And you should have an email from access@kw.com. It'll say KW Password Reset. When you open this up, you should have a link right here that says Reset Password. If you're using Outlook, you may need to copy and paste this entire link into your browser. But if you're using a more modern email system like Gmail on the browser, you would just click Reset Password. And then you'll type in the new password that you'd like to change it to. Now, one note about this, previously using the old recovery system, you had to reset this password to one that you hadn't used before. But in this system, you can reset it to one that you've used previously. So once you've typed your password and then typed it again to confirm it, just make sure they match, then you click Submit. And now that says your password has been successfully reset. So now you can log into MyKW using this new password. So we'll return to login page and log in using that new password. And that should take us to our new Access dashboard. But if you just want to go to your MyKW homepage, just go MyKW.KW.com. Now, one last note about this. Before you can use this new password to log into Kelly, you must first use it to log into MyKW.KW.com on your computer, like we just did here, at least once. That's how you can reset your password using the new interface on MyKW.KW.com. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.